Nago tigana noroboti rumura ibwenso kano gochikurwa bisi urumuga Kenyatta niko bona siri tukuri arabomera na numura yomochori wense ya Kenya gatano William Samuel Ruto asenyomba yoburaime mu Nairobi go Statehouse awase urabaka okwana manga hali abereka go ikirana ne serikali yaye asaba igamo boli ya umura yo gochikoso bisi yo gatano William Samuel Ruto kwa nekina nkuru arobo korri go cyasaba Kenya bonsi bali bamwakete chikura nabo igo bali batamwakete chikura omulike itobene Brighton Makole noroboti rwa senchira yobekirano
nekero tudigereti chinga kingego ekero umurai ogatano wenze ya Kenya gochigotiani gubene litgo liarero ni ganyorana numurai ogosoka kurwa bisi omosike Uhuru Kenyatta uru kaukwana litgo liarero ekeranyaraga konyorana na William Ruto nigobona tebiremuna gose amuganiria maya Ruto ekero agochikoiro bugambi gojakira litgo liangio.
The very best to our next president, Dr. William Samuel Ruto, and extending to him our warmest congratulations for receiving the mandate of Kenyans to lead us as our fifth president.
Waigo, Uhuru nigamubolire Ruto ekerago chikoira oborai amanyebuna tali aujokorre mirimo bali bamwakirete chigura kolenda ba Kenya bonsi.
And so, Mr. President-elect, as you walk the path to your inauguration and beyond, you will be the president, not just for those who voted for you, but for all Kenyans.
Murai bwense ogosoka nairalibaga liabenena kwerera alianyarire kaokora ase miaka 10 anyarire gakoba murai bwense
that Kenya faces. To realize the dream of equitable development, we have fostered and given impetus to the devolved system of governance. In line with the 2010 Constitution, we institutionalized devolution and forever changed the face of Kenya. Through devolution, government is now much closer to the people, with Kenya shillings 2.5 trillion transferred by the national government to the counties from 2013 to date.
Asensemo YGTV amo neji radio umurai bwenso gosoka na nyaraka ukwana igetambokero serikali ya Jubilee anyarege koira anene ekero asugetigo ya sensemeli yekerero.
In the world, as a digital government, we successfully transitioned from analog to digital television and radio, resulting in the country today being home to 130 TV stations, up from 14 in 2013, and 204 radio stations, up from 130 in 2013. These figures do not factor the massive expansion in the digital space that has seen many hundreds of thousands of Kenyans successfully monetize various digital communication avenues. I have immeasurable pride in having the magical tag of Made in Kenya.
Godibote rigeta seni Candice TV, editariane Brighton.